It's a premiere movie event. Ashanti, Queen Latifah, Quentin Tarantino.
You digging it?
And the Muppets.
This is the last straw! No, I see one right here.
The Muppet Wizard of Oz. Coming up next.
Only on ABC.
Welcome to the wonderful world of Disney.
Tonight's presentation on ABC brought to you by the all-new Odyssey from Honda. A great idea made better.
The Honda Odyssey has long been called the best vehicle in its class. All the more reason to go back to the drawing board and make it more powerful with an advanced 255 horsepower V6 engine. More spacious, with room for 8, and more intelligent than ever before. Introducing the all-new Honda Odyssey. A great idea made better.
Our biggest celebration ever, gang. I wish we could do something really special.
Mickey, be careful. I wish we could do something sort of unexpected. Guys, you really shouldn't.
I wish we could bring in new attractions from all around the world.
Sorry. Cinderella-bration, the motor action stunt show, and more have now arrived from Disney parks around the world. Visit DisneyWorld.com for more about the happiest celebration on Earth.
How'd that happen? When you wish upon... Come on, do I have to spell it out for you?
We now return to the wonderful world of Disney.
Tonight's presentation on ABC brought to you by the all-new Odyssey from Honda. A great idea made better.
We now return to the wonderful world of Disney. We now return to the wonderful world of Disney.
Hello, I'm Michael Eisner.
And I'm Kermit the Frog.
Thanks for joining us for tonight's presentation of the Muppets Wizard of Oz.
Hey, Michael, do you like the movie so far?
Absolutely. You guys always crack me up.
Oh, good.
So what was your biggest challenge in making this movie?
Well, I guess I'd have to say the biggest challenge was... Michael! Hi! Who's Piggy?
Kissy. Hi, Miss Piggy.
Piggy, we were just talking about our biggest challenge making the movie.
What? Biggest challenge was playing the Wicked Witch. I'd say turning my sweetness into something evil really stretched my acting chops to the limit.
Yeah, and I'd say your pork chop stretched that dress to the limit, oh guy.
Does it?
No, Piggy, could you just...
While they sort things out, let's return to our wonderful world of Disney presentation of the Muppets Wizard of Oz.
When it comes to a vacation, some travel light, others don't. But this year, when you stay at a Disney Resort Hotel, you can completely skip baggage claim, and we'll take you and your luggage from Orlando International Airport to your Walt Disney World vacation. For more about Disney's Magical Express complimentary service, visit DisneyWorld.com. And you'll never have to lift a paw. Now you can get a 6-night, 7-day vacation for a family of 4 for $1,500.
Order the Muppets Wizard of Oz DVD and soundtrack featuring Ashanti. Visit Muppets.com.
It's the mystery at the heart of Christianity.
Do you believe Jesus was resurrected?
Resurrection. What do you believe? A special 2020 event. Resurrection. Next.
Wednesday.
Do you really think all this is an accident?
She killed my baby!
It's all been leading up to this.
Something's out there.
The 2-hour season finale.
Each one of us was brought here for a reason.
The most anticipated television event of the year.
And who brought us here, John? The island.
Lost. 2-hour season finale, Wednesday, 8/7 Central, only on ABC.
Nick and Jessica's Tour of Duty, Monday, 9/8 Central.